Good morning. Do you want to know something funny? At my graduation, yes, a girl was giving a speech and she said good morning, but it was also like 7 o'clock at night. Okay, good morning. We're getting ready. Emma, I keep calling Emma Kiara and Kiara Emma, and I don't freaking know anyone's name. Mom, I'm so sorry for always just talking crap that you call me Kendall, who's my sister. Sorry. I'm doing a live stream right now and Emma's taking it over. Should we go say hi to the live stream? Let's go say hi to the live stream. Hey. Hi. Hey. Hi. Hi. Oh my god, I love you too. What's up? We're getting ready. This is our live stream and I'm gonna curl my hair because Kiara talked me into it. Hi vlog. Peace. I'm gonna finish getting ready. Okay, bye. Bye. Oh, that's Emma. Bye. Thanks for watching our live, you guys. We're about to go to the expo hall. My pants are unzipping. I fixed it. We just walked in and I just let Allison and tell me she's not the prettiest thing ever. Oh, thank you. I love your hair. Like, I want to do that so bad to mine, but
you should.
I think I might. You're my inspiration. If I do it, it's Allison. We're at the food truck, so I just met Daphne. You're so cute. What grade are you in? I'm in 9th grade. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love it. My bracelet matches your necklace. It does. I have a scrunchie on too. We're twins. I'm so awkward when I meet them. I want to be like,
that was A+.
I get so like excited and then I just like don't know what to say and then I feel like a mean person.
She's killing it.
But we're getting food because we're starving and I don't know teriyaki chicken or orange chicken. We just ate. There's music in the background, so we gotta be quick for copyright. Ah! We got the same thing. How yummy. Orange chicken with noodles. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at this dog. He's so cute. Look at him. There's another dog. I'm a really big fan of all the dogs here.
So cute.
They know.
See the dog, she freaks out.
Here we are. About to go to a panel. I'm eating a pretzel. LOL.
Keegan met another subscriber.
Loves your videos. I always see her commenting on your posts. Love your video. Yes, please.
Literally had 4 or 5 people in a row. There was a line to meet her. She just had fun. Meet up in the middle of VidCon.
We're outside here and look how, wait, what's your name again? Can you say it again? That's such a pretty name. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for saying hi.
That doesn't actually one day.
Okay, so we just went to a panel. It was really cool to watch. I'm shaking right now. I just met 7 subscribers. What?
Within like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Literally 10 minutes.
I'm shaking. I literally like, I hope this camera isn't like the footage isn't shaky. God, if I could talk. I'm just like starstruck. We were just standing here talking and then like people just came up and they're taking pictures and they just had, I don't know what to say. But oh my god, it's cold. Look at the puppies right there. There's so, oh my god, there's so many of them. Do you think I'm allowed to pet them? Or do you think they're like service dogs? Hi puppies. We're sitting in the Marriott Hotel. We're waiting for Kiara. I forgot to vlog with you. We met and I forgot.
Guys, what's a good graduation present?
Money. I just hit 24,000 on Instagram. Thank you.
Keegan met another subscriber.
Anyway you want. Cute. We're back in the hotel room. Guess what we're doing? Guess. Emma, tell them.
We're eating some Oreos and we're gonna have some with milk.
Milk and Oreos, but we don't have forks, so we have to get our fingers wet with milk, but don't tell anyone. Oreos, milk, excited girl. Other excited girl.
This is our dinner.
Welcome to Healthy Eating with Keegan and Emma. On today's episode, we'll be eating Oreos because milk and it's dairy, and that is one of the nutrients you need.
It's good.
10 out of 10.
I was gonna say that. 11 out of 10. I win.
And your healthy review is over. See you next time.
When we get connected, log it on. Do you remember that? On Disney Channel?
Yeah! We're about to go see the Mamma Mia movie premiere.
Mamma Mia 2!
Mamma Mia 2! 1, 2. And yeah, Emma's excited. And so are we. But yeah. Okay. Woo! Woo! I just locked myself out of the hotel room. I also have a key, but like... Oh, hi!
Would you have a key?
Yeah, I do. I hope I do. Everyone's vlogging. We're gonna watch the movie, but we're not allowed to have our phones out, so goodbye for now. See you later. Update, movie just ended.
Oh my god.
So good. So we got these beach balls, so they started playing them when like songs came on, and they threw them in the air, and we just like stole them. And I'm gonna hit them with the faces then later when the bait. Yeah, that made no sense. I'm gonna throw these at their faces soon.
Hey, yours is the only one that was in focus.
We're gonna go listen to the Mamma Mia soundtrack, and
it's gonna be so fun.
And we're gonna play volleyball.
Eat some Oreos. Oh yes.
See my major volleyball skills from elementary school. So adorable. Oh, and then we're hearing some fireworks going off from Disney. Fall down. Where's the fireworks? Really? They're copying me. Copycats. Just kidding. What is it?
I was actually thinking about doing it before.
What? Keep talking, Kiara. Keep talking. Just keep telling yourself that. Just kidding. I love you. Bye. Camera 5. Camera flat? No?
Huh?
No camera. So pretty. Oh, I'm glowing. It's not glow, it's oil. We just ordered food.
We're watching some interesting footage.
Emma's not into the video we're watching. Neither's Kiara. I haven't been paying attention too much because I've been holding up. I don't even know. Stop. I can't talk. I'm just editing. Good night.